Ko, it has been years since yung notice of disallowance issued by the COA over misuse of funds by the Subic Bay Metropolitan Authority during Gordon's time as chairman, which amounts to 140 pala. Sabi ko, correct me if I'm wrong, it's not 146. It's 140 million pesos, and up to now, hindi mo pa rin ibinalik yung 86 million pesos of which is attributable to Gordon. So sana yung pera. Mr. Gordon, you are appearing all white because you have painted everybody black there. So, ikaw na yung lumabas na puti. What now? Please answer me. Anong nangyari dito sa kaso mo? Hindi mo binayaran. It's a malverse money. It's the people's money that you have used. So where is the money? Or what happened to the money? Binigay mo ba sa ano, o nirigalo mo sa ano, o ginamit mo sa kampanya? I am now asking the Solicitor General to formally ask COA to act on the disallowance and remind them of their constitutional duty to collect the 140 million pesos as stated in the demand letter of SBMA Chairperson and Administrator Isma, dated August of this year, which was sent via registered mail. And this has been duly sustained by the Supreme Court as final and executory. Yung demanda mo, inapila mo pala sa Korte yun, sa Korte Suprema. What happened was that natalo ka, and the verdict is final and executory na. So no appeal, no nothing, except for you to pay. That is the civil side of it. Yung binayarin, sa uli mo yung pera, that is your civil liability. But there is another component of that, the civil liability and your criminal liability. Yung criminal liability mo, yung mobilization.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.